If you want to add sign in Word document without printing it, well, in this video, I will show you the easiest way to add handwritten signature inside Microsoft Word. Hey there everyone, welcome back again to another video of Technoholic. This is part 1 of my 3-part series on adding digital signature in Microsoft Word. In this first video, I will show you the easiest method of adding handwritten signature as an image in Word. If you want to follow another method, then do check out the link that I will be attaching in the description of this video. Alright, so let's focus on this particular one where you can see here I already have opened a sample document where I need to add my handwritten signature here. For that, you need to have signature image saved in your computer. So for that, you can take piece of paper and then can make sign and get that picture in your system. And now here we have got this picture. What next I'm gonna do is I am going to remove the background of it, and that we can also do inside Microsoft Word, so we do not need to worry about it. So let's keep it here, and now I'm gonna go here in insert, and now we need to click on pictures. Let's click on this device, and now I'm gonna go here in download, and then I'm gonna choose this file. Now of course we need to modify it based on our requirement. So let's click on crop and just keep the size that you need. So here not only we need to crop, we also require to rotate it. So let's rotate it 90 degree, which meets our expectation. Now another thing we need to do here is we need to remove background. So let's click on it. And now here we also have got option to customize it. For example, T here is kind of gone. So I'm gonna, I will try to make sure that it remain there. And then I also would like to remove certain area, for example, this. Alright, so after you feel satisfied, you can click on keep changes. And this is how we can add our signature inside Microsoft Word. Now you may face problem in moving image. For that, you can click here on layout option and then choose the option which says in front of text. Now you can move it wherever you want, and then you can place it. Again here as well, we can see there is more artifact that we can fix again by going back to background removal. And now again, I'm gonna click on mark area to remove. Now again, I'm gonna click on keep changes, and that's how guys we can create our signature inside Microsoft Word. And if you, let's say, do not like it, you can also go online and then look for background removal tool. All right, maybe we need to write image as well. Now I'm gonna go on Canva and going to upload the same image here as well. And there you go. It have done the job very nicely. Let's click on download. And now again, the same image can be imported directly to Microsoft Word. Now look at it, this is very clean. Now, again, I can go here in picture format and then can crop it. And of course, we need to rotate and resize it as well. Let's delete the previous one, and I'm gonna also apply the same option, which is in front of the text. And that's how guys you can add signature inside Microsoft Word. So this was the easiest way guys. In our next video, I will show you how to add proper signature line in Word, which look much more professional. You will find that video link in the pinned comment down below. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the part 2.